Hey there! If you're running a local business, whether it's a cafe, law firm, cleaning service, or home repair, and wondering how to get more customers without burning cash on ads, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step system to rank higher on Google Maps and local search in 2025, using free or affordable tools and simple strategies that actually work. Let's get into it. When someone searches best dentist near me or pizza in your city, Google often shows a map with 3 local businesses on top. This is called the local pack. And here's the thing, 60 to 70% of all local clicks happen right here. If you're not in the local pack, you're basically invisible. But don't worry, even if your competitors have been around for decades without the right approach, you can outrank them. Step 1 is claiming and optimizing your Google business profile. If you haven't done this, go to business.google.com, search for your business, and follow the steps to verify it. Once you're in, here's how to optimize it. Choose the right primary category, not just gym, but yoga studio, plumbing contractor, etc. Add up to 10 relevant categories each. Each increases your chances of showing up in more searches. List all your services. Be specific. For example, instead of just plumbing, include tankless water heater installation, emergency pipe repair, and etc. Use AI like ChatGPT to write a clear, benefit-driven business description. Upload real photos, no stock images because Google knows. Use your smartphone or AI-generated visuals if needed. Add business hours, service area, and attributes like wheelchair accessible or LGBTQ+ friendly. Post weekly. Use tools like Go High Level to schedule 30 rotating posts automatically. Want more reviews without fancy software? Just send this personal message from your phone. Hey, your customer's names, thanks again for choosing us. If you are happy with the service, would you mind leaving a quick review here and attach a link? This simple text gets a 30 to 40% response rate compared to under 5% with automated software. Let's find easy-to-rank keywords that bring real customers. Step 1. Open Google in incognito. Type in your service like plumber and note Google's autocomplete suggestions. Then add your city. Step 2. Scroll down to people also ask. These are real questions your customers have. Step 3. Use SEMrush or Bright Local to discover what your competitors rank for. Plug in their domain and reverse engineer their success. Step 4. Focus on transactional keywords like emergency plumber Houston, not informational ones like how to fix a leak. Structure your site like this. Homepage targets main service plus city, like plumber Houston. Embed Google Maps, show reviews, and use schema markup. Category pages based on your Google business profile categories. Service pages, each service gets a page. Explain what problem it solves, how you help, and why choose you. Location pages, for each neighborhood or suburb you serve. Support content, FAQs, and blog posts using people also ask keywords. Use AI for drafting, but personalize it with your local experience. And never use stock photos. Here are the top tools to supercharge your local SEO. Google Business Profile, foundational tool for showing up in maps. Rank Math SEO, WordPress users, adds local business schema, supports multi-location SEO. SEMrush, local SEO toolkit, tracks rankings, listings, reviews, and shows keyword heat maps. Bright Local, cheaper alternative with citation tracking, audits, and local rank tools. GMB, everywhere Chrome extension. Audit competitors on Google Maps and undercover categories, reviews, and performance. Bonus, Google Analytics plus Search Console. It's a must-have to track traffic, page performance, and indexing issues. You don't need hundreds of backlinks, just a few quality local links. Here's where to get them. During your local Chamber of Commerce, powerful link and local trust boost. Get listed on manufacturer and industry directories, Home Advisor, Triple B, etc. Sponsor local events, youth leagues, or charities. Get featured on their websites. Use citation tools like Bright Local or My Service to keep your name, address, phone, NAP consistent across the web. Send out press releases when you hit milestones. gets picked up by local news, and builds credibility. Sneaky competitor ranking higher than you? They may be keyword stuffing their business name like Denver Locksmith in the title. Report them via suggest and edit on Google and remove the spammy parts. Google will review and possibly adjust. Want to rank in a nearby city? Use a co-working space address within that city. If you staff it during business hours, even part-time, it's Google compliant and can boost your presence significantly. So that's your complete local SEO strategy for 2025, and you don't need to hire an expensive agency to make it work. Remember, claim and optimize your Google business profile. Use the right keywords and content structure. Track your performance with smart tools. Build a few high-quality local links. Keep it real, consistent, and focused. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more no-fluff digital marketing tips, and drop your questions in the comments. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.